Hello, I'm Link. Today, let's talk about the cleaning principle of melamine pad. Melamine pad is made of melamine sponge and scrubbing pad. Why does it have such good cleaning power? First, the material is made of microfibers in a three-dimensional mesh structure. And when this material gets wet, the internal mesh forms pores, has a very strong adsorption capacity. In addition, microfibers can penetrate into the micropores of floor tiles or various floors during the cleaning process. Quickly remove the dirt that has penetrated into the micropores. Second, it's a very fine particle, but it's very hard. It has a Mohs hardness of 4, which is about the same as our glass. So it has a very strong micro-grinding effect. Quickly micro-polish stubborn dirt or scratch marks on the floor surface. With very good effectiveness, deep cleaning, polishing and wax removal are completed simultaneously. So the application of this material in the floor washing machine, it is an efficiently upgraded new product.